When I was a little girl, money was something my parents had.
My parents didn't have.
My family never discussed.
Money was something we talked about all the time.
It wasn't something I knew much about.
Eventually, I got my first job, and I had money of my own.
The first thing I did was
Save it.
spend it.
Count it.
Get a job, get a paycheck.
It all seems so simple.
For me, money meant total freedom.
Dinner's out.
Travel.
Lots of shoes.
Then I grew up.
I got married. I got a job.
We had another mouth to feed.
We got divorced. I had to manage the money for all of us.
And money became something
I needed to learn about.
I needed to learn about.
I desperately needed to learn about.
So I went to see
A broker, an accountant,
I looked at some financial websites.
but they spoke in a language I didn't understand.
I felt annoyed.
Overwhelmed.
totally confused.
Like I was losing my mind.
I knew I was smart, capable, teachable.
And then one day, a friend,
A colleague,
My advisor,
my herbalist.
Told me about Women in Co.
A unique place that gives women access to
Insight.
Education.
Tips and tools.
Financial ideas that rock.
I immediately looked them up.
Logged on.
Joined.
and my eyes were opened.
It turns out the financial facts of a woman's life are unique.
We live longer than men.
We spend more years in retirement.
We spent about 11 years out of the workforce to take care of our families.
The next thing I knew, I had my own financial plan.
I also had a 24-hour financial resource.
A community of smart, savvy women.
a place to call home.
Today, I'm stronger.
Wiser.
More confident.
Today, I'm a member of Women & Co.
I'm a member of Women & Co.
I'm a member of Women & Co.
Women & Co.
Where wisdom,
Wealth.
And women meet.